Hello guys, welcome to another video on my channel. And you know the drill. I'll keep on playing till I run out of energy, and I really still want that 100% chance. And it was, so let me just get my rewards and get right into the video. And cow cat, I don't really need them actually. I don't really need them. I already have brainwashed. So let's let's go in. I'm just gonna update that every once. And today, guys, today is the day that I will get it. I'll get beans cat to level. Also, guys, in my last video, someone commented on my last video, what is your opinion about battle cats? I mean, burger cat. Also, thank you for checking my community about that. Make sure to check my community every now and then. About my burger cat, my brother actually got it. He got it from a level named Faster Than Fast Food. He said a quite easy level. Quite easy. Is that even I can beat it? Can't be. Y'all beat it to level 10. He did test it on level 1 too. Tested on level 10. He said that it is good. Good. Really overpriced meat though. Got mato. New one. Okay, I'll talk about it. But it's a really expensive meat. Level like 10, it just turns into boil cat and just adds only patties to the burger. And I'm not sure if it does much actually. I don't own it. I'll test it if I have it though. But that amount. Ooh, expeditions. I think I can get rewards from this. And I will check on that in the next video. Make sure to check the community during the time, guys. Remember. So, this, I still don't have enough for that. But let me just update Logo Cat. I mostly just need it for like my rank, my use. That would then get me a rare picture. And let's see what the rare picture gets me. Come on, give me something good. I got a drill cat. It's a drill. Alright, drill cat. Super rare, that's fine. I don't unbelievable that I predicted that. There's an uber rare over here. There. There she is. There he is. Actually. Hey, oh, I forgot about the rover guy. I'm sorry, guys. I forgot about him. But I don't really need him. I'm pretty sure I'll get a good aiming encounter in the future. So yeah. Little cats and play. It's a long range attack and weekends fruitless. That is good against elephants. That is good. Elephants. Yeah, that's good against elephants. I forgot his number, guys. I just got him already. Forgot about him. So he has a weakness attack. Let's see his attack. Let's see his attack. Oh, he just threw out the drill with a long range. Okay, let's say long range. Units along distance will receive damage, but it tends to miss if they're too close. That's just bad. Oh, I got raw cat. Isn't that quite weird for children to I guess. Put a thumbs up and put a thumbs down if you agree with me in the comments. I knew it. How far we can go. I'm gonna be testing out my new cat here. Okay, so basically, this is something like stronger. Easier and stronger something. Oh. Oh! It's much longer. Check those guys in the snake once. So I think this is gonna be another easy win. This is gonna be another easy win, guys. Without a doubt. Oh! A seal. Yeah, I defeated one last time. Defeating again. Zero. Wait, there's two seals? I didn't see one. And a penguin. And a goat. I have no idea what to do now. Wait, how am I gonna even beat this? How am I even gonna beat this, guys? How am I gonna beat this? Yeah, I killed him with this. Oh no, there's a gorilla. Oh, it's still good. That's a good one. There's two more seals. Is this the part where I lose, where I end my struggle and quit? No, I will never quit this, no matter how long it takes. But I might lose it this one. Yes, I might lose. I think that might be good here because he gets strong, gets better. This is its 10. I think it says tends to weaken red enemies. I think. But hopefully I get to kill these. I got one down and I got a second. Let's go. Got two down. Oh, there's a hippo. I already know I will beat them. I gotta go. Ooh. That was a close one. I was about to lose there. That was a hard one. I forgot to put the cat. It's a lot cheaper than I thought actually. Level 5. Seems like a reasonable one. Bermuda is quite, I'm not sure what it is, but it doesn't seem like something. But I was watching me out, guys, in my journal. Make sure to like and subscribe, put notification bells on, and enjoy watching this video. So you want me to set the wait, to single attacking? Or to single attacking? I think like Captain, that joke, that's so good. That's greatness in red. the most common one used. And if there's like a good unit or most good units on front and most of them are red. Like the elephant, strong attacker. Yes, we'll fix it up. Just that. So yeah, got a great combo. Oh, what's that? That's a kangaroo. It's a kangaroo with baby in it. With boxing gloves too. Boxing with me. Oh, I already met that unit in their sweet easy XP stage. It's still standard, but I really sweet XP. Yeah, it's really nice. So, let me just beat this level really quick. And that's nice. Let's just beat them all. Also, does it usually like touch show you're clicking and you just put your hand on it, it'll show like multiple circles or XP. Okay. Let's enter this right now. Jamaica. So this is the last level. Guys, let's see if this one will give me any trouble. First, let me put out Cat. Jamaica. Yeah, I just realized Jamaica. So yeah. Okay. So I don't know why Bean's cat turns into Brock. Kind of appropriate for kids. But yeah, guys, I'm sorry. I forgot to mention the guy that comes on my last video. His name was Skunk. I'm sorry, guys. People wondering where it is and check my comments. They don't need to, because you can just watch this part of the video. So let me just bonk, bink a bonk. Let me just beat this level. See if this one gives me any trouble. Yoink. Bonk. 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 And you can like both. I usually go That's literally the noise pattern if you hear them in the real game, but Jamaica base has a lot of HP. I'm still very grateful. Oh no, that's an elephant. Oh no. He just killed my tie stack on my own. Oh my god, what am I gonna do? It's gonna kill my brainwashed cow guy and it just... So, let me do the pain. Oh, that's a lot of minutes. Come on. Long range, so you can just stay in the back and do damage. Come on. Also, guys, if you're wondering why I didn't get cat, I saw in the video, as soon as you get it, you get a free cat tour that allows you to get max wallet, max money, a timer, and no cooldown reactions. So that's quite neat. Yeah. Let me just beat this one. If I even can beat this. Yes, I killed them. Okay, let's finish this level and end the video. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you for watching this one. If you watch this, or please put a thumbs up in the comments. And also, I did not mean to do that. Okay, guys, I'll see you. Oh, nice rewards, nice rewards. Okay, Jamaica. Oh, new cat. What is it? Ooh, Kung Fu Cat. Okay, guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye.